All right, YouTube. Today's August 28th, 2022, and we're baling hay out on the property here. So, got a John Deere 7 Series and a Kuhn rake out here doing a joint operation. And we got Brian out here with his 4455 and a Kuhn baler. And he's out here baling. I got here a little late, so we catch a couple minutes here of some raking going on. And yep, just like that. The whole field's done. All right, folks. Brian's done. He's moving on. We got a total of 8 bales for our second cutting, August 28th. I'll put a couple screenshots from the security camera. I just got out here late to catch these guys out here doing it. Now, a bunch of folks are going to ask me the question, why am I not out here baling this stuff? First, this is a microfield. You know, I'm not going to spend $100,000 in equipment to bale 5 acres. That'd be crazy. There's no return on investment on that. So it's easier to hire a custom guy, come in here and cut this stuff out and, you know, get the bales done. So anyhow, that's pretty much what we got.